Now that we have set up our initial price list for Foster's Lighting and set up our preferred and alternate vendors within our item list, let's go back to our Vendor Items tab to see what it looks like now. Go to Vendors, then Vendor Center, select the vendor, and guess who we're choosing again? Foster Lighting. Select the Item tab in the center of your screen. This tab contains your specific vendor items list. The first part of the list shows your import information with the import date. The items below show the items you purchased that do not have an alternate vendor associated with them. The items that we imported show the description, unit and measure, the price, which is your cost, the lead time, which shows in days, the vendor part number, and any notes that were added, and then finally the date of import, so you know when was the last import date. This tells you how current your pricing information is for analysis. To update your pricing list, go to Manage Vendor Items dropdown and choose Add Edit Multiple List Entries. Your item list will come up. Change your pricing and lead time if needed. Save your changes. I'm so excited now that we are ready to move on to the next step on how to compare vendor prices for your purchases. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You'll be alerted when I create another video like this. Thank you again as always for watching the video.